In Kotlin, there are two ways to invoke a function type. The first way is function call syntax, and the second way is using invoke operator. So let's see an example that here we have a sum variable, and here the function type contains two integer input parameters and one return type which is integer. And in the lambda expression, we are performing the calculation and instantiating this function type. And to call this or to invoke this function type, we can use normal function call syntax that after the sum in parentheses we provide the input parameters and we get the result. And the second way is using invoke operator, that after the sum variable we provide this in the invoke operator we provide the input parameter 3 and 5 and we will get the result. And for function type with a receiver, there is a slight variation, that here let's say we have an average variable here, and in the function type we have an integer receiver and two input parameters integer and one return type integer. So in the lambda expression here we have these two parameters x and y, and as this is referring to the receiver, plus x and plus y, and dividing it with 3. So to invoke this function type we can use invoke operator, but in the invoke operator the first parameter should be the receiver of this function type. So 2 which is an integer, and these two parameters are referring to the input parameters of the function type, and we will get the result. And the second way is which is similar to extension function call, that after this receiver which is integer we can call the average variable, and in parentheses we pass the input parameters, and this will invoke the function type and provide us the result.